grown women out there.
Hi babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful package from Haniix. They're a contact lens brand. They reached out to me and I specifically chose 3 of my favorite contact lenses from their website with my prescription. Now, straight out of this cute box, we have the thank you card with the QR code behind, which you can easily use to access the website, and this powder puff, which I thought was really thoughtful for the makeup girlies. Also, we've got the pickers and of course the contact lenses that I chose myself. We have it in Tasha Brown, Olivia Brown, and Tasha Gray. Each contact lens comes with its own contact lens case, and you're going to get 20% off if you shop using my discount code on your screen. Now here's what my eyes look like without the contact lenses, and I've got really dark brown eyes, and this is what they will look like after I put these contact lenses on. But hold up, that's where I struggled, because I was really trying to use the pickers. You know when you see the babes online and they put the pickers, the lenses on the pickers, and it just goes straight into their eyes? That did not work for me, and I just went back to the old method that I knew, because why would you try to fix something that's not broken? Why? So first off, all you need is a mirror and of course your hands, but clean hands. You need to dry your hands down as well. Pick up your contact lens, place it behind your hand, use your middle finger, pick that up, and then just use the other finger, pull down and place. And there you go. That's all you need to do. You might need to also roll your eyes a bit and then it goes in. And there you go. Tasha Gray in all her glory. A round of applause for Olivia Brown. She is fierce, she is bold, she is unapologetically beautiful. Ooh! Please, we need a standing ovation for Tasha Brown. She is confident, she is sassy, she is me, she is unique, she is beautiful.